coffee, ketchup, milk, barbecue sauce, and lemonade. Coffee!
No!
Hurry up, you better get it.
Oh! No!
Dig in.
That's
Get
gross.
it out of there. Coffee. Yummy. Oh! Come on, get over here. The old ketchup. Come on. You got him. You can't just spit it out.
I can't. Coffee
Same as last
again.
time.
He got coffee again. 3 times. 3 times coffee has been gotten.
You got it!
Yes! Let's go! Let's go!
Nice. You're so good.
Yeah, sure.
Oh, we got a wobbly.
What'd I get?
Coffee.
No.
Yes. Gotta do it quick.
Yes! Yes!
Oh.
Yes!
You gonna film me eating it?
Yeah!
Lemonade. Disgusting. Oh, that is gross.
Really?
It's just.
Swallow it.
I didn't. It's like. It's not horrible. Bingo!
What'd I get?
Barbecue
No!
sauce.
No! No!
Come on, before it gets too deep.
I just want to smell it.
First time trying barbecue. You got this. You got this.
Smells like.
Did you get any barbecue sauce? Not a lot. Come on. That was great. I win.